Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. The Karnataka High Court heavily criticized actor Kamal Haasan while hearing a petition filed by him seeking directions to ensure the release and screening of his upcoming film Thug Life in the state. Justice M. Nagaparasanam questioned Haasan's refusal to apologize for the statement, observing that it had hurt public sentiment. The court said no citizen has the right to hurt sentiments, adding water, land and language, Jala Nila Bhasha, are important to citizens. The division of this country was in linguistic lines. Haasan's petition came after widespread backlash over his recent controversial remark, Kannada was born out of Tamil. The comment sparked criticism from political leaders and protesters by pro-Kannada groups across Karnataka. The judge criticized the actor's stance and remarked questioning his responsibility as a public figure. He said, no language can be born out of another. Where is the material to support this claim? And what has happened? Disharmony? And what has the people of Karnataka asked? An apology. Justice Nagaparasanam also questioned Haasan's claim. He also said the circumstances were created by Kamal Haasan and he has said he will not apologize. We have undermined the sentiment of the people of Karnataka. On what basis? Are you historian? Are you linguistic? Appearing to the petitioner and presenting the film's producer, senior advocate Dhyan Channappa submitted the actor's statement could be viewed by the court just once and added that it was not intended to offend or it was not so drastically wrong. To this, Justice Nagaparasanam responded strongly. If you won't apologize, why do you want the film to run in Karnataka? Leave it. Freedom of expression cannot be stretched to hurting sentiments of a mess. You apologize, then no problem. You want to earn some crore from Karnataka also. The court also questioned the actor's decision to seek protection from the police despite having caused the unrest. Now you here for a commercial interest. That police should protect for a situation created by you. One apology would have solved everything in law. We will consider, but look at the attitude. That is what the judge had to say. The court also observed that Haasan could have issued a clarification saying that he have made a statement without looking into history. Recalling a similar incident, the judge said, Rajagopal Acharya had apologized for a similar statement decades ago. Language is a sentiment attached to people. You have said something, you undermine that. The High Court made the observations while hearing the petition, but is yet to issue a ruling on this petition, although he has asked Haasan to consider apologizing. The hearing would adjourn at 2:30 p.m. Reacting to the court's observation, Karnataka Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar expressed hope that Haasan would heed to court's word while also urged the people not to over-rigid. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.